The coolant reservoir in a Mercedes-Benz W245 2005 to 2011 is located in the engine compartment. On left-hand drive models, it's typically on the driver's side. On right-hand drive models, it's on the passenger side. Look for a translucent plastic tank near the radiator filler neck. It's accessible by simply opening the hood. No need to go under the vehicle. Maintaining proper coolant levels is crucial for preventing engine overheating and damage. Low coolant can lead to costly repairs, while correct levels ensure efficient engine operation. Neglecting this simple check is a common cause of breakdowns in older vehicles like the W245. Overheating incidents have spiked in recent years, highlighting the importance of coolant checks. Safety first. Ensure the engine is completely cold. Wait 1 to 2 hours after driving to avoid burns. Open the hood and locate the coolant reservoir. Visually inspect the coolant level through the tank. It should be between the min and max markings. If the coolant level is below the min mark, top it up with a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water. Mercedes-Benz recommends using G05 or equivalent coolant. Using the correct coolant prevents corrosion and damage to the cooling system components. Never, ever remove the radiator cap or coolant reservoir cap when the engine is hot. The system is pressurized, and opening it can result in severe burns from spraying hot coolant. Always wait until the engine is completely cool before handling any cooling system components. If you frequently need to add coolant, suspect a leak. Inspect the reservoir, hoses, and radiator for signs of leakage like stains, puddles, or damp areas around these components. If you suspect a leak, consider a pressure test at a trusted mechanic. Ignoring leaks can lead to significant engine damage. Mercedes recommends changing the coolant every 4 years or 100,000 kilometers, about 60,000 miles. Over time, coolant loses its effectiveness and can become corrosive, potentially damaging your engine components. Regular coolant changes help maintain the health and efficiency of your cooling system, preventing overheating and extending engine life. You can use a coolant hydrometer to check the freezing point and ensure the coolant mixture is still effective. Modern diagnostic tools like OBD2 scanners can greatly enhance your ability to monitor your W245's cooling system. An OBD2 scanner plugs into the vehicle's diagnostic port and provides real-time data on coolant levels and engine temperature. These scanners can display alerts when levels are low or temperatures are abnormal, allowing you to address issues before they cause engine damage. This is particularly valuable for preventive maintenance. For added convenience, aftermarket remote monitoring kits can be installed on older vehicles like the W245. These kits send data to your smartphone, providing constant oversight of your cooling system even when you're not near the car. By using these digital tools, you can stay ahead of potential cooling system problems and maintain your Mercedes-Benz W45 more effectively.